Good morning, little one. It's snowing.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Oh, it's snowing out there.
Wow.
Look, darling. Here is your tea.
Thank you, Grandmother.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, Grandma. Keep close, little one. It's cold out here. I'm not cold, Grandmother.
Thank you, my dear. That's a good bundle.
It's cold out there.
Here you go, dear.
She likes it, Grandma. Here you go, dear cow. Can I feed it too? Yes, offer the hay gently. Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, how sweet.
Look at this badger. He is gathering nuts for the winter. He looks busy.
Just like we are, preparing our dinner.
The fish looks ready. Meow. Almost time to eat, children.
Try some of this, dear.
It's delicious.
And how is the fish? Look at her.
Look at the snow. It's so beautiful.